Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
Hudson.
Hudson. How big are you? How old are you?
Bert.
You're a big boy?
I'm big boy.
How old are you?
5.5.
No, that's Jack. How old are you?
4. 2.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. Do you love your brother Jack?
Let's see.
Can you love your brother Jack?
Hi.
Hi.
Cheese.
Cheese. Do you go to school now?
Yeah.
Do you like school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, have you started going poo-poo in the potty? Hudson, come here. Come here.
What's this? Look.
What are you watching?
7.
Are you watching the numbers?
Yeah.
Meet the numbers.
2. 3.
Can you blow a kiss to the camera?
4.
Can you say goodnight?
Good night.
I love you.
I love you.